You're on.
Look what I got. Yeah, pogo stick. This is Carol's idea.
Got to have a little danger with it.
Huh?
Yeah, come on around the pool.
Around the pool.
Around the pool, no falling in.
Okay.
Trip him, Ziggy. Whoa. I have to move faster.
I'm not sure this is a good idea.
Uh-oh. Don't get close. Uh-oh.
Whoa. Wait for the grand finale. There we go.
In the spa. I show off.